गुरु भाई, हाउ डिड यू एंडेड अप हियर? ये इंडस्ट्री में बारटेंडर में आप कैसे आए?
As an accident. So basically, my uncle wanted to be a chef. My family wanted to be me a chef, but my dad wanted to me pursue his career, pursue his dream as a merchant navy guy. So basically, my uncle gifted me admission for a hotel management industry. So basically, I had to pursue that because of family pressure. So वो 3 साल की जर्नी हुई, फिर बाद में पास आउट हुआ. देन आई गॉट माई फर्स्ट जॉब ड्यूरिंग द कोविड टाइम. सो वो प्लान वर्कआउट किया नहीं, 1 महीने में बंद हो गया. देन डैड के ड्रीम्स परस्यू करने के लिए देन आई वेंट टू मर्चेंट नेवी फॉर 6 मंथ, बट वहाँ पे भी जमा नहीं. सो बेसिकली आई एंडेड अप एज एन एक्सीडेंट ओवर हियर इन कड़क ऑल्सो. सो बेसिकली जॉब नहीं था, फिर बाद में जॉब के लिए इंटरव्यू आया. देन दिस गिवन मी अपॉर्चुनिटी टू बी अ सर्विस गाय. सो बेसिकली एज अ शेफ परस्यू नहीं कर पाया. एज अ सर्विस मैन आई एम गुड एट टॉकिंग, आई एम गुड विद पीपल, आई एम गुड विद इंटरेक्शन. सो दैट सूटेड मी. सो या फिर बाद में यहाँ पे भी सर्विस करते करते आई एंडेड अप लविंग बार, मेकिंग माई ओन रेसिपीज, मेकिंग माई ओन कॉकटेल. सो टॉकिंग टू पीपल, टॉकिंग अबाउट द टेस्ट पैलेट्स एंड ऑल्सो now the bartending is core to me. So I love being a bartender over at Kadak. So I love to interact with people also.
अगर एक कड़क मोमेंट आपको बताना हो, व्हाट इज दैट कड़क मोमेंट इन योर लाइफ और इन योर करियर और एट कड़क? व्हाट इज दैट कड़क मोमेंट?
So it's kind of a personal. So basically I got my girlfriend over here. So that was a short term period, but that was a Kadak moment for me. So I ended up having her in my life for a short period of time, but that was a Kadak moment for me. So it was kind of a up and down. So yeah, that gave me the boost of confidence to talk to people, also go to tables and talk. So yeah, that boosted my confidence, and that was a Kadak moment for me.
Which is your favorite कड़क beer?
For me, it's stout. So stout is a beer that can be have at any moment. So I'm sad, I can have stout. I'm happy, I can have stout. So basically, it's a dark beer. So I love that.
What is your favorite food at कड़क?
For me, so basically, it's two things. So a tadka Maggi and one chicken gyros. So those two are my favorite over here.
Something unique that you felt at कड़क?
The warm and cozy environment over here. So it's a small place, but it's a cozy place, and we made a lot of friends over here at the regulars over here. Like most of them come regularly, like weekly, and so it's a hospitality that we provide to them, like the homely feel that you're not at a hotel, you're at a home also. So that's why people love to come over here. So
the neighborhood bar वाला feeling.
it's a neighborhood bar.
शाम को मिलते हैं वाला
शाम
spot.
को मिलते वाला scene. So everybody loves to come over here. Guru is there, everything will be sorted. Chef is there, everything will be sorted. So they don't need to worry about anything. So we take care of them very personally.
What's next?
So we're planning to expand over here. So we trying to make new recipes for cocktails also. So it's gonna be skinny. It's gonna be for Gen Zs also. So they can also have that. So low. We're planning to do something bigger. So stay tuned for that.
Cheers
Cheers to
to
humans of Kadak.